Hey guys, if any of you own a Jem Jr. or have been wanting one, which is sort of the more cost-conscious version of the the uh, the gems, you can pick up a Jem Jr. And if you'd like to get the aesthetic looking more like a Jem 7V, one of the higher end units or guitars, I mean, you can do this. Throw a bright white pearl pickguard on there, and all of a sudden it looks way more pro and cool. Let's see here. Also, the back panel on the 7Vs, the back panels are also pearl. So I went ahead and I swapped from the black that these come with to pearl. And you know, these parts were not the easiest to source, and this one in the front I ended up finding from a Chinese company online, and it literally got shipped in a plastic bag and it was broken, and they sent me a replacement, and this one is still broken. This little corner here was all bent and I straightened it out, but I'm pretty sure at some point it's going to just fall off. Now, the back panels, I stumbled upon a company called 5 Alarm Guitars, and they make these, and you do have to just ask them to make them in bright white pearl. It's not listed on the website, but they do have the material, and they're a perfect fit, really. The only issue is that the Indonesian made Jem Juniors have these two screws are actually centered. This panel is reflects the screw spacing of the Japanese made Ibanez Jems, and so you've got a couple of choices here. You could ask the guys at 5 Alarm to not put any screw holes in the panel, and then you can just drill your own holes. Or what I did is I decided I wanted the aesthetic of the higher end guitar, so they left the holes in there, and then I just drilled new holes. And you can never see the other two holes because they're hidden. This panel was a perfect fit, no issue there. And the only issue I'm still trying to find is a pearl truss rod cover, and the issue with that is that this is a very thin material, and I see a bunch out there, but the screw spacing seems to be the issue with most of them. So I'll keep looking, and eventually this thing's gonna look exactly like I want it to, and I'll probably do a follow-up video on this guitar because there's a pretty interesting story about it. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description for the 5 Alarm Guitars guys. And they also have a pick guard that may fit. They will send you a template that you can compare to your pick guard. I'm not going to post a link to this pick guard because it's a pretty sketchy vendor, and I don't know. The quality is suspect. I mean, this corner is even sticking up a little bit right here. So it still looks cool, but I would rather trust somebody else with that. But the point of this video is that you can upgrade the aesthetic of your Jem Jr. to look like an Ibanez 7V, and that's really cool. All right, everybody. Enjoy and peace out.